Cartosat-3 are a proposed series of remote sensing satellites from ISRO, which are intended to replace the IRS series. Cartosat-3 is an advanced version of Cartosat-2 series with improved spatial and spectral characteristics. It will have a panchromatic resolution of 0.25 meters and mx of 1 meter, which is a major improvement from the previous payloads in the Cartosat series. Potential uses include weather mapping, cartography, and strategic applications. Cartosat-3 is a much more capable satellite, having a resolution of 25 centimeters, 10. It uses 1.2 meters optics with 60% of weight removal compared to Cartosat-2. Other features include the use of adaptive optics, acousto optical devices, in-orbit focusing using MEMS and large area lightweight mirrors. Cartosat-3 was originally planned to be launched on board PSLV during 2014. However, ISRO appears to launching additional satellites in the Cartosat-2 series through 2017, and ISRO's 2017 plans involved launching Cartosat-2D2E in 2017. Cartosat-3 series may be launched in 2018 and later. See also: Cartosat-1, Cartosat-2, Cartosat-2A, Cartosat-2B, Cartosat-2C, Cartosat-2D, Cartosat-2E. References